Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to refer a friend on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be doing this on the web version in Client Portal. First, log into your Interactive Brokers client portal. Once you're logged in, you should see your account dashboard. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Head and Shoulders icon, that's your user menu. Click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with various account options. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will open up your settings options. Next, click on Account Configuration. This section contains all your account management tools. Within Account Configuration, you'll see an option called Refer a Friend. Click on that. Your personalized referral link should now appear on the screen. Now you can share your link. You've got two options here. You can either send the link via email directly from this interface by clicking the email sharing button, or you can click the copy link button to grab your personalized link and send it however you prefer: text message, social media, wherever. Just make sure your friend uses your unique link when they sign up. That's the only way the referral counts for both of you. Here's how the rewards work. You'll earn 200 USD for each friend who opens an account using your link, deposits at least 10,000 USD, or the equivalent within 30 days, and maintains a balance of at least 10,000 USD for 1 full year. Your friend gets rewarded too. They'll receive 1 USD in IBKR stock for every 300 USD they deposit, up to 1,000 USD total in shares. There's some limits to know about. You can refer up to 15 people per year with a maximum of 30 total referrals. Also, referral bonuses won't be paid if you and your friend are in the same household. And you'll need to have at least 2,000 USD in your account and have placed at least one securities trade to be eligible to refer. If you want to check on your referrals later, just go back to User Menu, Settings, Account Configuration, and then click Refer a Friend Status. That's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching.